Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will tell you how to train YOLO V5 on the custom dataset. We will train the YOLO V5 on the playing card dataset which is available on the Kaggle, and by the end of this video you will get to know how easy it is to do the object detection using YOLO V5 on the custom dataset. These are the images you will get after the object detection. We have used YOLO V5 due to its speed and accuracy. YOLO V5 is built on the top of the PyTorch, which made the training and the inference process very fast, and the results are great. First you have to install the Kaggle using pip command. After that you have to make the environment and then download the dataset from the Kaggle. Then unzip the dataset. We'll start by cloning the repository, YOLO V5 repository, and install all the requirements, and then change the directory where you have your YOLO V5, and we have used total 2757 images. For YOLO V5 you will need .yml file. YML file looks like this. These are the number of classes and these are the names. And YOLO V5 expects all the annotations for each image in the form of .txt file. In the txt file each line describes a bounding box. These are the YOLO annotations. Our dataset has already given this, which contains .txt file. And then we'll start by training our model. We have used batch size 16 and the steps are 150. This is the .yml file. We have used pre-trained weights, and after training for the 150 pods we'll get the results. The results are saved in this directory. We'll see our performance on the tensor board. This is our train loss. This is the matrix precision and matrix recall. This is the MAP. MAP stands for mean average precision. Here we can see the precision and recall and mean average precision. Now we will see the results. We'll see some images from the validation and some images from the train. After that we will do for the test images. We want to run it over our test images, so we set the source for the test images. And then we have used weights. Best.pt contains best performing weights which are saved during the training, and after that we'll get these images from the test. You will find this video on the RIS AI channel. If you want to do the object detection, you can contact on the given number. Thank you.